All right, today we're going to talk a little bit about Google Translate and how it could be a good resource in a classroom setting. Um, I was recently in a practicum in a grade 5 class for 2 weeks, and there was a student that had just moved from Quebec here, and it's his first year here in an English school, so he is focusing more on just becoming bilingual. And some of the classes, uh, he struggled a little bit with certain words or the meaning of what they were and trying to translate them back into French. So they often use Google Translate to help with confusion between the two languages, which is honestly really smart. So basically, Google Translate, you can pick a language. I'm going to go with English, and you say, "Hello, my name is," and you can translate it to German, Swahili, Mori. There's a whole list of different languages you can use. Some you're able to actually hear it being spoken,
Hello, my eye.
which is really cool.
Hallo, mein ist.
Rafiki Anduli.
So I think another way you could possibly use this is, say you have a pen pal that is not from Canada and you have a pen pal that doesn't speak English. This would be a really cool resource to use to try and translate a letter into their language, or if they can translate English into their language, vice versa, whichever works. But I mean, I'm sure it doesn't convert directly or exactly as it should, but I think it gets the message across fairly well. I don't speak any other languages, so I don't really know how to check that. But yeah, so it's kind of pretty cool. Seems like you can download a document, and I'd imagine it probably flips everything for you, which is really cool. Well, thanks for listening to this video. It is on my EdTech class, or it's for my EdTech class. It's one of my blog posts. I hope you enjoyed.